One change made by the Equal Employment Opportunity Act of 1972 was increasing the time individuals have to file discrimination complaints to include age discrimination. These time limits apply to all laws enforced by the EEOC except the Equal Pay Act. Some states have enacted EEO legislation and established agencies known as Fair Employment Practice Agencies, FEPA, FEPA, to enforce the laws in their states, and individuals may file EEO complaints with either the state agency or the EEOC. Either agency receiving the complaint may file dually with the other agency to protect the complainant's rights under the other law. In addition, in states without a FEPA, an individual must file a charge with the EEOC within 180 days of the incident. In states with a FEPA, a charge must be filed within 300 days of the incident, or if the charge was initially filed with the state enforcement agency within 30 days after receiving written notice from the state that the investigation was terminated. For ADEA complaints, only state laws extend the filing limit to 300 days. If the EEOC doesn't file a civil suit or enter into a conciliation agreement within 180 days of the initial charge, the complaining individual is notified and may file a civil suit within 90 days of receiving that notification. And once an individual has filed a charge with the EEOC, there is a 60-day waiting period before the individual may request a right to sue letter. This request ends the EEOC investigation and requires the individual to file a civil action within 90 days or lose the right to pursue their claim. The EEOC also enforces EEO laws and executive orders for federal employees. These complaint time limits and procedures differ somewhat from those for private employers or non-federal government employees.